Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use your Apple gift card to buy Robux, step by step. So let's jump into it. Step 1. Redeem your Apple gift card. First, unlock your phone and open the App Store. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Redeem Gift Card or Code. Now tap on Enter Code manually and carefully type in the gift card code. Hit Redeem and the balance will instantly be added to your Apple ID account. Step 2. Open Roblox and log in. Now go back to your home screen and launch the Roblox app. Log into your Roblox account if you haven't already. Once you're in, tap on the Robux icon at the top of the screen. Step 3. Choose your Robux package. You'll now see a list of Robux bundles. Pick the one you want to buy by tapping on it. This will bring up your payment methods. Step 4. Complete the purchase. Since you've already redeemed your Apple gift card, your Apple balance will be used for the payment. Just confirm your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and you're done. That's it. You've successfully bought Robux using your Apple gift card. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.